Thanks for choosing Cherry Creek Dodge. We have a huge inventory of pre-owned cars. We promise you a fun and relaxed environment where buying a car doesn't take all day. Just remember, we put customer relationships before dollars. Thank you.
Here is an excellent 2012 Dodge Charger. Blackberry Pearl exterior with low mileage on the vehicle. A very nice sedan. Come and see it at Cherry Creek Dodge, located at 2727 South Havana Street in Denver, Colorado. Stop by or give us a call at 855-379-4439. That's 855-379-4439. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.